Coming in at number one is the credit usage. So let's say you have two credit cards, for example, and each one of those credit cards allows you $10,000 of credit each. So in total, you have $20,000 worth of credit available to your name. So the credit card usage is basically a percentage of how much are you utilizing of that $20,000 of credit to your name. So let's say you're spending around $2,000 a month. That means you're going to be utilizing around 10% of your credit. And this is a huge ranking factor and a huge impact on your credit score. And one of the ways that a lot of people who don't have a lot of credit to them are going to never be able to really build up their score. So unless you're able to really impact or change the amount of credit to you, you can do this in a number of ways by asking for further credit balance to your name. Because even if you're able to get $5,000 in more credit, it's really going to lower your credit usage percentage